Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing well today. Sorry I'm not there. What we're going to do today is we're going to do these examples. It's not going to take us very long. And then you guys are going to work on your assignment. And I want you to be able to turn the assignment in by the end of class. Okay? So we're doing the notes, and then you're turning the assignment in at the end of class. So you should not have any homework. All right, so today what we're going to learn about is the hinge theorem, okay? It's called the hinge theorem because you have two sides of your triangles, and it's acting like a hinge, so like a pair of scissors, okay? Um, so basically what happens is you look at your sides, and um, you have the two congruent sides of your triangles, and you look at the angles that are between them. This one here is 30, and this one over here is 40. Well, whenever those angles are different, the sides across from them are going to be different lengths. So this one here, this 30-degree angle matches up with side X, and the 40-degree angle matches up with side Y. Well, if you take your arms and you kind of make a hinge with them, if you open them at a bigger angle, well, the distance between your fingers is going to be bigger. So essentially, the bigger angle over here is going to be across from the larger side. So since 40 is bigger than 30, I know that Y is bigger than X. Okay? So now we'll go and we'll do the converse of the hinge theorem. And that's just the other way around. So again, we have our two triangles, and we see we have the two sides that are congruent on each of them, and we're looking at the angle that's between them. So we're looking at angle A and angle B. And you look here. This side over here is 8 versus this side over here is 12. Your bigger angle is going to be across from the bigger side. So 12 is bigger than 8. So that means that angle B is going to be bigger than angle A. Okay, so now we'll do examples. So it says compare angle A and angle F. So here's angle A, and here's angle F. Okay, look at your sides. We have the 6 and the 8. Okay, and then look at the side across from the angles they're asking us to compare. You have across from angle A, it's the side that's 5. And across from angle F, it's the side that's 4. So again, your bigger angle is across from the bigger side. So 5 is bigger, so angle A is greater than angle F. Next examples. Right here, you can see we have the 4. Both of these sides out here are 4. And then they share this one in the middle. So we're looking at the 25-degree angle and the 30-degree angle. And we're having to compare AB, this side right here, to BC. So again, which angle is bigger? The 30. So the side across from it is bigger. So BC is greater than AB. And then now you go over here. We got this example. On this one, you have to be careful with your angles, and you have to look at the sides. You're looking at the angle that's between the two sides from each triangle that are congruent. So the 6, right? And then the 10, the one they share in the middle. So go across. This one, the side across from it is 7. And this one, the side across from it is 8. So the angle that's across from the side that's 8 is going to be bigger. So angle CTA or ATC is going to be bigger than angle SAT. So now we've done the examples. So I want to go look at the assignment really quick. All right, the first one, number 1, it says compare AB and CB. So we're having to compare this side versus this side here. Important thing to note right here, this is a 100-degree angle, so you have to figure out this one right here. this is making a straight line. So it's 180 minus 100. So that tells us this missing angle right here is 80. So now you compare the side across from the 80 or the side across from the 100, which is going to be bigger, the side across from the 100. So CB is going to be bigger than AB. So that's how you do the first few. Okay. Number 3, you have to be careful because there's actually 2 triangles here. Here's one of your 2 triangles. And it's doing the 35-degree angle. And then you should be able to see the other triangle there. Okay. On 6 and 7, this is like example 1 on your notes. You're just filling in this box with either a less than or a greater than. And then on the back, you look on the back here. It says they want us, this is kind of a review. They want us to list the angles from smallest to largest. So remember, that's looking at your sides, okay? So your smallest angle is across from your smallest side. The only thing different is like number 9 and number 10. On 9 and 10, you see how you have variables. What I want you to do is choose a number to plug in for your variable. So let's look at number 9. Okay, I'm gonna choose, I'm choosing that x is gonna be equal to 10. I just chose a number out of the air. So everywhere I see x, I'm gonna put 10. So here x, this side's 10. X minus 5, well that's 10 minus 5, so this side is 5. Over here, x minus 3, so 10 minus 3, so this side is 7. And so now I can order my angles from least to greatest. So I find my smallest side, the 5, and I go across, and what angle is it pointing to? E, so that's my smallest angle. Now look at your medium side. You have a 7 and you have a 10. Okay, 7's a medium, so go across, angle D. And then your largest side is across from the 10, so that's angle F. So there you go. That's ordering your angles. And then the last part, again, is listing the sides from shortest to longest. So then you just go the other way around. Only thing on number 12, you just have to remember to get that third angle. So remember, add the 2 that you have. So you should get 110. And then take that away from 180. And that gives you your third angle here. And so again, your smallest side is across from the smallest angle. It's just the reverse of ordering the angles there. So again, you're going to finish this and you're going to turn it in so you don't have any homework, and that'll be it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.